Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Just a very quick video to show you the oil change process on this 2019 Toyota CHR. I've already done the dirty work. I've lifted the car up. Just to very quickly show you the process mold. This is a 2019 and the process is going to be very similar on most 1.8 hybrids from 2016 onwards, I think. Right, so this car is going to take 0W20 fully synthetic oil, 4.2 liters from my research. And then in my case, I have a spin-on metal filter and a 14 mil nut here for the drain. And also before that, actually, you have to remove, there's a plastic sort of a cover here, just 4 10 mil screws. And then this will come off, drain the oil, change the filter, off you go. Just a quick tip is, if you're buying it from auto parts store, just try to get the paper type filter and the metal one. And depending on which one you use, you can return the other one because it's difficult to find the right one sometimes, and they use both types. So hope this video helped you guys, and we'll see you in another video.